for this video. I just sort of started. There's been a lot of befores of the closet that I have, and I'll post a few pictures that I can find in here. It's been taking a long time, and it took a really long time to convince my husband that this was something that we should do. He now loves having his own closet with plenty of room and storage and things like that. So we love it. I'm so happy that he would be on board and help me build all of this stuff, because those units are pretty heavy, that you'll see in the video. So there's still a few things that we want to finish as well, but I wanted to intro this. It'll probably be like a voiceover for the most part. There's a lot of stuff in there. I have a lot of stuff. Hope you enjoy this video. Let's get started. I wanted to give this video a little bit of structure, so I wanted to talk about my design process and how I came to transform a spare bedroom into a walk-in closet. So first and foremost, I just had to decide what I wanted to do with the room. So once we figured out what we wanted to do with it, then we could start designing. Once we determined what we wanted that space to be, it was time to measure everything. I measured the walls. I measured the walls with the baseboards. It's very important. It's something that most people forget about. You have to measure your baseboards because they can range in thickness, which pushes everything around quite a bit. So measured the entire space. I knew I wanted to use IKEA. I knew I wanted to use the PAX system. I've heard so many good things about it. They have lighting fixtures, they have drawers, they have shelves, slide out things, shoe racks. They have literally everything that you can possibly think of to design in a walk-in closet. So it can be a little bit intimidating. I went in with that just to kind of see what measurements I was working with. So I jot down a bunch of notes, and then I started working on the actual layout. That's when I went to Pinterest. I looked at like what design styles that I liked, what color scheme I wanted, what layout I wanted, and I knew I wanted everything to be hanging, because I know myself and how I operate. If things are difficult to get to, I will use them or look at them less often. So I wanted everything to be hung up, including all of my jeans. I actually love the way that looks. I think it's so pretty. So I knew I wanted everything hanging up, so I needed as much hanging storage as possible. And I knew I needed an actual drawer unit in there, because this is my actual closet. So I needed stuff for swimsuits, skirts, shorts, underwear, bras, socks, that sort of thing. So I knew I needed a unit. And initially it was going to go underneath the window, but there just wasn't enough room on either side and it looked too cluttered. So I did draw up a bunch of different layouts. I had my design style in mind. I had an idea of what I wanted to do, color scheme I wanted, and then I knew exactly how I wanted everything to lay out. So that's when I kind of played around on Canva with the layout, and I drew everything out, and I knew I wanted a dramatic wallpaper in there. I knew I wanted that, and it looks so good. The wallpaper I found is just perfect. It's so perfect. And then when everything else and all the finished elements come in, like once I find the chandelier to replace the fan, everything will even more come together. So there's a lot of things you have to think about before you even go in to purchasing. So after all of that, I figured out the layout I wanted. Then I purchased everything from IKEA and started assembling everything. And then slowly that room started to come together. So I focused on the exterior walls first, and then focused what I was going to put in the middle. So that tiny little unit in the middle was about the only thing I could fit in there, because I didn't want it to be overwhelming. I didn't want the space to be cluttered. With all of those things in mind, that is how this space came together. So we'll start with the wallpaper, because that's where it all began. And there's a really good before and after at the end of that little speed through clip. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and here we go. This portion of the video, I wanted to do a voiceover. I caught better footage on my phone. So I found this wallpaper on Amazon. I wanted something dramatic, beautiful, floral. This one was perfect, very inexpensive. It comes in 9 different sheets. It fit this wall perfectly. The ceiling height is 9 feet in this room, and the width is about 10.5 feet, and this fit perfectly. There was a little extra room on the left and the right side. It's so nice. For prep, it was really easy. You just had to wash the wall, and then you needed a scraper, a X-Acto knife, and a ruler just to make sure you're still online, and that's all I needed. It was so easy to install. I love the way it looks. It's so dramatic, and again, really inexpensive. You can find it on Amazon, and Home Depot also has peel and stick stuff as well. So here's the before, and here's the after. Got some cleaning up to do, but I've got the 39-inch, the 29-inch, and the 19 in and ready to go. So excited to share this with you guys. All of this is coming out and getting reorganized. All right, we've got 3 of the units in, the 39 to start, 29, and then 19. I'm just going in now, slowly bringing stuff in, seeing where I want it to be organized. Things are coming along. I've got most of what I want in here on this side. I am going to hang my jeans on the bottom instead of fold them, just so I can see everything that I have, make things easy and accessible. I'm really, really excited. This is only one side and things might switch around, but it's really, really nice to finally see things in here. This is what we have so far when you walk into the room. I've done a lot of work over the past couple days. Most of the stuff is in on this side. I did label all of the things up here. I will do a walkthrough and just show you guys what everything is and where I put it. Oh my god, I'm so happy with this. I did just order the 39 and then a 19 is going to go next to it again. And then we'll have to move all the shoes and stuff down. But everything will fit in here. I'm very excited to show you guys the final result. The additional units that I ordered came in and Sean's just helping me put everything together in the corner. I highly recommend these IKEA drawers. They're so easy to put together. I am finally filming this outro in my walk-in closet. It's been a long time coming. I said that this was going to be done so long ago, and to be completely honest with you, it's still not even done. I did not change the fan yet, and I don't have any window treatments. And there's a quarry that's quite busy across the street, so it's a little bit iffy getting dressed in here, but I'm gonna walk you guys through absolutely everything. I'm so excited. Here we go. Right to the left when you open the door. I knew I wanted everything to be hung up. The more I have things hung up, the more I can see everything that I have and the more I'm going to wear everything. So the method to the madness was tank tops, t-shirts, long sleeves, sweatshirts, jackets, tunics, long dresses or shorter dresses, that sort of thing. I have all of my jeans hung up down here. So this is exactly why I need window treatments in here. And then all my long dresses and jackets and stuff here. I have a drawer on the bottom for where my hats are. This unit in the middle is from IKEA. Probably should have told you where everything is from. Everything is from IKEA. But in here I just have organizational cubes for all of my sweatshirts. So I didn't want everything to be completely see-through on both sides. And then I use a lot of these extra storage bins up top for more storage too. But all my sweatshirts, like my grab and go, easy, comfy stuff is right here in the middle. My dad did make me this custom sized jewelry box on the top. I've yet to fill it with everything that I want to be in it, but it does have a drawer that slides out. It just felt a little bit more luxe, a little bit more custom, and he's such a good builder. So it just finishes this whole space in here and it just looks so luxury. I love it. Also on the center unit, I do have organizational stuff for my jewelry, which I know I wanted to keep on here. This is just for everyday jewelry that I interchange quite frequently. They're so pretty. They look high-end. I just have them stuck on here, but you can nail them on places if you want to as well. It's just on the back side opposite of the door. This unit over here is another 39-inch wide cabinet. It just has the clothing racks across the top. It is more long sleeves, cardigans, sweaters, that sort of thing. I just have an overabundance of that stuff, so it is in 2 spots. And then down here I have all of my white jeans, my black jeans, skirts, dress pants, corduroy pants, that sort of thing. And then I knew I wanted a stackable drawer unit because this is my closet, so I need stuff for bras, underwear, shorts, skirts, all of that sort of stuff. So I have everything in these drawers, and they are soft close. They're really, really nice. I could have fit 2 more in here, but I knew I wanted a shelf. So this is just for more display, just for more storage stuff. And I do have a lot of jewelry and everything to keep in here too. So I just wanted more of a visual for that sort of stuff. Right here in the middle, I have the mirror. This is 7 feet tall, still from IKEA. I did want to paint it, but I kind of like the silver. It kind of keeps it light and bright. The goal for the future is to have this be standing vertical and have lights from behind it. There's a very strong cast from the window, and then when I do any filming or anything in here, take any photos, it has really, really harsh light on my left side. So I just wanted to kind of balance that out and put some lighting around here or something over the top, but still not done yet. And then I have my shoe racks. I've had these for years. I just repurposed them. These are from IKEA a couple of years ago. This unit is about 20 some inches, and then the other one is about 15. So this is exactly what I need for all of my shoes. And closet is still full of everything that I'm selling on Poshmark and stuff I'm going to donate. It's a hot mess in there. I'm not even going to open that up for you guys. And that concludes this closet video. I hope you enjoyed the process of putting this all together. It was definitely a labor of love. It took so long to complete, and it's still not done. There's finishing touches I want to add in here, some beautiful pictures and things like that. I would definitely want to change the fan out, add some window treatments, finish the light above the mirror, maybe add a rug. I haven't really found one that I love in here. I might get a different chair. I don't know. It's still to be determined. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate your patience as this came together. Be sure to subscribe and like if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.